So in one of the YouTube lectures we did, I showed you an example of a system that was not time invariant, basically taking the input and multiply it by a t. I demonstrated the lack of time invariance by illustrating a particular counterexample for one particular input and one particular shift, because as a counterexample, to show it's not time invariant, you just need to come up with one such counterexample. All right, so at this particular point, what function do we have here? So I'm going to call the function here x tilde t, and this is t x of t. Okay, and then I'm going to shift it by a certain amount. So let's say it's shift by a. Again, now I'm making a generic amount. Or the system here doesn't know anything about the history of the function that was fed into it. It doesn't know that this was something special and that I got multiplied by t. It just sees this blob, whatever it is. So when it shifts by a, it shifts everything by a. So the function that comes out here is t minus a times x of t minus a. Because remember, the shifting operation here has no knowledge about what should or shouldn't be shifted, quote unquote. Now, if we then look at the system on the bottom here, what's my shifted function going to look like? Maybe I'll subscript that with an s. So I'll write t minus a. Again, this is a shift by a. And now it hits this point. And remember, now that we're multiplying by t, this multiplication system, it has no idea what we shifted by out here, right? It doesn't know anything about a. It just sees a signal coming in. So what is it going to do here? It's going to, I meant to write it like this. The shifted signal is the original x, t minus a. All right, so what comes out here? What comes out is going to be, I'll have my x of t minus a times t, and these things are not the same. These things are not the same.